Hello viewers, this is a CPA network, CPA box. I am just start working here for some days ago. Today's income here showing $6, total income $120, and total click 6,287. Total lead 20 leads till now, and today's lead 1 and today's click 287. This is the authentic source of traffic. I'm working here. I think if anybody work here, it's possible. So all the leads and all the clicks come from only USA. Basically, I selected USA country only. All the leads and all the clicks come from USA only. So I will show all the cities where the leads come from. Basically, I am working here on PPS product. PPS product, that means pay per sell. If I able to sell 1 unit, I will get this commission $6. Florida Keys, North Dakota, and all the cities here of United States. Michigan, Utah, New York City, Newark, Vermont, South Florida. So all these cities I tracked here, all cities of United States I tracked here, and all the cities clicks showing here also. So Florida Keys 312 clicks already come. Cities, New York City's 260 clicks already come of 6,289 clicks. So, and my income is 120 USD till now, but it will increase day by day. It's just working from some days. So I hope I can make a handsome amount, and I will update each and everything here. So it's very easy. If anyone know the traffic source and marketing strategy, he or she can make huge amount from the CPA marketing. CPA and marketing, two different things here basically. CPA cost per action or cost per acquisition, and marketing is totally different. So this is a CPA network, CPA box. If I have account in CPA box and I have offer link, so this is CPA network, I have offer link, so it's okay. If I know the marketing policy or marketing strategy, then only I can easily earn from this type of CPA network. Otherwise, if I don't know how to do marketing, which country I should select and which cities I should select and how to track all these cities, if I know, then I can easily earn this type of amount each and every day. But if I don't know how to track the cities, how to do the marketing very well, very properly, so then it's not possible to earn. So I have a CPA network, I have a product link, but if I don't know the marketing policy, it's not possible to earn a single dollar. That's why we need to learn first each and everything. Anyone can apply this strategy in CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, drop shipping, Amazon, Walmart, any product anyone can sell. So this strategy is a very, very powerful strategy. And this marketing policy is very, very powerful marketing policy that anyone can easily earn. If everybody want to do very well in CPA marketing, everybody must know the marketing policy. Marketing policy is the main thing. If anyone has CPA network, it's okay, but he don't know the marketing policy. That's why he will not able to earn even $1. If anyone want to change his or her life, just contact me, start the course. Before completing the course, income will generate, and that is guaranteed. So thanks everybody for watching my videos.